If you're looking into treatment for pudendal neuralgia and you've been trying to find clear information about what it actually costs, you'll already have noticed that most clinics aren't particularly helpful on this point. I want to be more useful than that. Let me start with why the cost of treating pudendal neuralgia isn't a single, simple figure. This is a chronic nerve condition. Effective treatment involves a structured program, not a one-off appointment. It needs to address the nerve irritation directly, the muscle tension in the pelvic floor that is usually contributing to nerve compression, and the sensitization that builds up over months or years of unmanaged pain. That takes time, and it's reflected in the cost. What the total investment is made up of at Male Health Clinic. The initial assessment, which runs for 90 minutes and is priced separately from any treatment program. A course of focused shockwave therapy sessions targeting the nerve territory and surrounding tissue, pelvic floor rehabilitation to address the muscular component, and ongoing clinical review throughout the program. What drives the variation in total cost between individuals is mainly three things. How long symptoms have been present. Longer duration tends to mean more established sensitization and a longer treatment course. Severity of symptoms. More significant presentations generally require more sessions. An individual response to treatment, which varies and can't be known with certainty until treatment begins. On the question of NHS versus private, NHS treatment for pudendal neuralgia exists in principle, but access varies considerably by region, and waiting times for specialist pain management referrals are often lengthy. More importantly, non-invasive approaches like focused shockwave therapy and specialist pelvic floor rehabilitation aren't routinely available through NHS pathways. For men who want access to these specifically, private care is the realistic route. The honest comparison isn't free versus paid. It's the cost of appropriate treatment against the ongoing cost of a condition that limits your ability to sit, work, sleep, and maintain the quality of life you've built. Current pricing for our assessment and treatment programs is published openly on our price tariff page. The link is on our website. If you'd like to have a conversation before deciding whether to book, our free informal chat is the right starting point. No obligation. The link is below.